Do you have the ability to work accurately? Have you got excellent hand-eye coordination? Can you read engineering drawings and follow instructions? Do you have mechanical ability as well as some basic IT skills? Can you concentrate for long periods of time? Engineering production systems workers carry out a range of production processes in the fabrication of metal and ceramics. Their key tasks are to refine and treat metals and mineral ore, fire ceramics, and operate plant and equipment to produce and finish metal products such as rods, tubing, and structural shapes, as well as to make molds for metal castings. Engineering production systems workers are employed in both large manufacturing plants as well as in smaller scale operations and workshops. These workers use metalworking machinery, including cutters, power hammers, pressers, and a range of hand tools. When manufacturing a metal item, the first process is to cut metal sheets into an appropriate shape. Workers may use force techniques to do this. Examples are shearing, punching, or blanking. Sometimes special cutting techniques such as laser beam cutting or plasma cutting are used. These techniques tend to be extremely accurate. Numerous tools and machines are then used for bending the metal. What is used will depend on what is being made. Workers use rolling machines, press brakes, and other tools to make V-bends, U-bends, and other shapes specified in project drawings and plans. Engineering production systems workers often use computer numeric control or CNC machines to fabricate parts from metal. When using these machines, the main task of the workers is to set up and monitor the equipment. The production workers calculate the amount of material, such as steel or aluminium, to be fed into the machine. Workers load these materials into the machines, and the CNC operator uses a software program to set the production specs. They run the equipment and monitor it for problems. When necessary, they adjust the operating speed to ensure that there are no malfunctions. Upon completion, a worker inspects the part and ensures that it matches the required specifications. This is a physical occupation that requires a great deal of lifting and standing. Engineering process systems workers often work in enclosed workshops, which can be hot and noisy. Because the work can be dangerous, these workers must wear appropriate safety equipment. Depending on the work that is being undertaken, workers wear special overalls, safety glasses, steel-capped boots, and protective earwear. Some environments also require hard hats. Entry into this occupation will depend on the employer's requirements. It may be possible to work as a trainee without any specific qualifications. However, entry into this occupation may be more likely with some experience in engineering or metal manufacturing plant work. Employers usually give on-the-job training that is specifically adapted to the requirements of the job. Formal training in the area of engineering production and health and safety training is provided. With experience and further training, it is possible to progress to the level of supervisor of a production section or workshop.